From where?
Alaska.
No. Wow, you're here from Alaska? And what brought you to San Diego? Warmth. Man, you're going to go back to your friends in Alaska and go in the igloo. And you probably have a nice, like, 2-bedroom igloo, right? You know, the wolves are going to, like, you're on the slide and they're, like, going home. There's no traffic in Alaska, huh? That's great. Anyways. Okay. And what do you do in Alaska?
Restore cars.
You restore cars, old cars. Like as soon as a car comes, it freezes. You're like, I restore it. What car are you restoring? It's 2023. It just arrived in Alaska, and I have to restore it. It's completely frozen.